Hello guys, here is Ahmed and here is a new video about Matlab Simulink, the incomplete tutorial part 2. I have noticed that there is a lot of questions about how to use Simulink from Matlab. So I will do this video for you. So calling Simulink from Matlab, so as you know we have a script of Matlab that will call a Simulink model. For example, here we want to make a closed loop of a transfer function. The variables that we will get from the Simulink are saved in the workspace of Matlab, and the script will go and use these workspace variables, and then it can call Simulink. These variables are shared using the workspace. In Simulink, we can use the variables already defined or declared in the script of Matlab. We can also send variables to the workspace, and in Matlab we can define the variables. We can call Simulink model using the command sim. I will explain this in this video. And we get and use the variables sent from the Simulink. So let us take, as usual, a small example. Here I want to simulate a first order transfer function a over s plus 1 in Simulink, and a is a variable that is user defined, so each time I can change this value. I want to plot the time response of this transfer function obtained from Simulink in Matlab. So how to do this? I will let you think a little bit. Okay, let us see the following tutorial. Matlab example, as usual, I will create a new script. I will put it in, I will use the editor. So the first initialization part, as usual, I will use clear all, CLC, and close all. Then I will define the transfer function and the simulation time that will be used in Simulink. So I will put a equal 1, the system is transfer function a11. I will run everything. You see that we have 1 over s plus 1. I will see the pause, it is minus 1. I will create another variable final t equal 10 to be 10 seconds. I will go to Simulink. In Simulink, I will look for an LTI system. I will put a step signal in the input, and I will put at the output a scope to see the time response. In the stop time in the Simulink, I will put final t, which is the value, and I will apply the step at 0. Here you see the time response in Simulink. I want now to plot this result in Matlab. So I will go to look for to workspace, and I will create a variable t, and to workspace again, and I will create another variable y. So when I run and I go to the workspace, I can see out, I can see t and y. So I will use plot out, and here you can use the tab to find the variables. I will create the figure. I will put a structure with a structure. So I will use a structure, and here I will use a structure also again. So I will run. As you see out, we have a t, which is a structure, and it can contain time and signals and values. So I will add this time, signals, and values. And as you see here, we get the result, the same result we obtained in Simulink. Now if I want to call Simulink from Matlab, so here calling Simulink from Matlab. So the two files, the model, Simulink, and the script must be in the same folder. So I will use sim and the name of the Simulink model, and I will keep everything in out. Here, as you see, I can change the value of A, and each time I can change the value of A or the time, simulation time. I call the Simulink and I get a different result. I change here the transfer function to the second order system. As you see, I'm using a lot of values, and each time I run and the modifications are applied to Simulink. Thank you for watching. For more information, please see the description. Bye bye.